Okay, in this demo, I am going to show you our skills in the front end and the back end. The front end is using the ReactJs, okay. The back end is using the Django framework, Python Django framework, and we are going to show you how we are doing web scraping as well as creating content using the artificial intelligence. Okay, we are using the two protocols here. For the web scraping real-time communication, I am using the WebSocket interface, and for the AI content creation, I am using the REST APIs. On the Django side, I am also using the Radix server to communicate within the application using Django channels. Okay. So here I am Django is running at the port 8000, React at port 3000 on the local host, and the Redis will be, this is the default port. You can configure using the Django settings file. And we are going to scrap from the Craigslist USA. Okay. So first I will run this Redis server using this Windows subsystem for Linux. Okay, on my Windows we have a Linux subsystem. So I am starting the Redis server. Okay, this Radix server is started. Now I will run the Django application. Okay, so I will run the Django application here. So Django, our application is running at the port 8000. Now I will run the front end. Okay. So now it is selected scrapping, web scrapping. I am going to use some keywords, say Android, Java. Okay, it will search for these keywords from that Craigslist USA and return the link. Start scrap. Okay, this link has that matching keywords. These are the details. It is in Atlanta. So here they in Austin also. So I will stop the scrap now. Now let's open this link. See, this job link has that keywords Android or Java. Okay, all the keywords are one of the keywords. Now if you open that Django terminal, okay, here you see, so sending scrap result to the client, we are received the command stop start result. Okay, this After we press the stop scrap, it received the command stop scrap. So now we go to the AI content. Okay, you see, this is the various AI models here. You have to choose. So I am choosing this AI model, Gemini slash AI model. I am asking. Okay, I am asking this. Tell me something about Trump. So you get the content. Okay, this is it is telling Donald Trump's presidency, okay, was marked with a significant tax cuts. These are something like that. Okay, this is how I use React and Django front end and back end communication to demonstrate web scraping and AI. So I had to implement the data processing. So if you look at the Django side for the WebSocket and communication with the client, I am using this class. Okay, you can Django channels. You look for this class async WebSocket consumer. This is a WebSocket consumer with asynchronous. Everything is asynchronous. Okay.